I'm Beth Laws, and I'm a Varonis technical consultant here at Somerford Associates. Salesforce is one of the most used CRM solutions out there. It's filled with contract data, pricing documents, personal information, and lots of sensitive and business critical data. Varonis DatAdvantage Cloud for Salesforce can help organizations to understand what data lives within here, who is accessing this, and help ensure this data is protected. DA Cloud monitors user activity, and it has many built-in alert models to detect potential threats. Taking a look at the alerts page, here you can see any behavior in Salesforce which has triggered these. Some examples of these would be employees accessing an unusual number of objects, changes to administrator accounts, or changes to any sharing rules to share records with guest users. And there are many other Salesforce-specific threat models. You can quickly see a user's overall Salesforce permissions by being able to view these all in one place in DA Cloud. Varonis maps and normalizes permissions from Salesforce into a more easy to understand model, the CRUDs model, where CRUDs stands for Create, Read, Update, Delete, and Share. This helps to paint a clearer picture of who has access to this data, who has been using this, and whether any of this data is unintentionally exposed to external users or former employees. Clicking on the Related Identities page allows us to see what other accounts an employee may have for other cloud applications and services. Varonis can map together different cloud accounts and identities, and it's able to map these back to a single user. This means security teams can easily monitor a user's Salesforce activity as well as their other activity across multiple cloud applications, and therefore reduce the time spent conducting cross-cloud investigations. It's possible to know what data in Salesforce is sensitive. DatAdvantage Cloud can classify your data, allowing you to know what type of information you hold. We can see here there's data in Salesforce which has been classified as PII, financial, and PCI data. Varonis uses patterns, dictionaries, and proximity sensing to pick up on things like bank account details, national insurance numbers, or driving license details, so you're able to see exactly what has been identified in your Salesforce environment. If you have any questions at all or would like to find out more, please feel free to contact us at info@somerfordassociates.com.